Hey YouTube, want to get on here and do a quick DIY for the fall. Um, my mother-in-law actually gave me, she loves to give me all of her wine corks just because she knows I love doing DIYs. She figured I would probably come up with some type of DIY, which I did. So for this project, what you're going to be needing is a glue gun, which I just turned on so it can go ahead and heat up. Some glue sticks, orange paint, a paintbrush, something to put your paint in. I actually purchased these 3 items from the Dollar Tree. This one actually came in a pack of 8 or 6, I can't remember. So need that, and then also you're going to be needing wine corks. So I kind of already laid it out, what I'm going to be doing. So, okay, so my glue gun has already heated up. So the first one that I'm going to be doing is a little bit smaller. I'm not sure if you can kind of see my design, what I'm doing here. So the first layer, for the small one, it's going to be 3. Oh, I might need a new one. It's going to be 3 at the bottom. So I'm going to do this. So I'm going to glue these down. And then the second layer is going to be 4. So then I'm going to glue these on top like so. And then so on and so forth. So this one's just going to be 3 layers. And then this one's going to be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I did 3, 4, 3 on the smaller one. And then this one up here is going to be like the top of the pumpkin that I'm actually doing. And then for the bigger one, it's going to be 4, 5, 6, 5, 4 with the little top of the pumpkin there. Okay, so hopefully this is warmed up. Doesn't look so, but okay. So first I'm going to go ahead and glue, put a layer of glue there, put that together, hold that for a couple of seconds, then add glue on this side. Put that down just so it can be leveled. Like so. And then what I'm probably going to do is go over it like on top. So you're going to go on top and just kind of put a layer of glue on top just so it'll be a little bit more secure. I guess my glue gun is not as hot as I thought it was. And then just kind of smear that down. Hold that together. Now I'm going to move on to the next layer. Okay, so the bigger one, I went ahead and just glued them down. Now I'm just gonna glue them and stack them. So the bottom one is gonna have 4. So the next one is gonna, okay, so 4, 5, 6, 5, and 4. See how cute that is? So then I'm gonna go ahead and glue them down. One more to put on top. And I'm just gonna set that one straight up. Look how cute those are. And then, so the next thing we're gonna do is paint them. Okay, so the last thing I'm gonna do is, I had some of these extra pieces of berries and I wanted to decorate the pumpkin. So you're gonna let those dry and then come back on here. And for the little one, I think I'm going to use possibly, I guess we'll use one of these. So just go ahead and put some glue on there, and then just place your little berries on top. Push that down to give it that, let it dry. Put that to the side. Then I'm gonna do the same thing with the bigger one. Probably glue this little one on top of the bigger leaf. Cut these stems a little bit. Trying to debate where I want to put them. Probably just put a little glue on top of here. Set the berries on top just to let them adhere. And then now what I'm gonna do is just put them on top of the stem. Hold it down like so. Give it a few seconds. And there we have it, our 2 little pumpkins. Look how cute those came out. And I was gonna say you can paint the back of them. I think I will, because if you put them on like a counter or something, it doesn't matter which side you put them on. There will be color on both sides, which will be super cute. If you haven't already, please like and subscribe to my channel. Everyone that already has subscribed, thank you so much for all the support. And if you like videos like this, don't forget to hit the notification bell, because I do upload videos at least once a week. Okay. just to give it a little color. Okay, there it is. Hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching.